Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that many Windows 11 users face, the Wi-Fi option not showing up in settings. If you're dealing with this problem, don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple solutions to get your Wi-Fi back up and running. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Reset network. First, open the Start menu. There you have to type Settings and then open Settings. After that, click on Network and Internet. Then you have to scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. After it's opened, look for Network Reset and select it. Then you have to click Reset Now and select Yes on the question that pops up. Now restart your computer to fix this issue. But if that doesn't work, proceed to the next solution. Solution 2. Update Wi-Fi drivers. Now, right-click on this PC and expand to show more options, and from there, click Manage. When it opens, click Device Manager. After that, expand Network Adapters to look for the network adapter you are using. It can be Broadcom, Realtek, Etheros, or any other adapter. Now right-click on it, then click on Update Driver. Since you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, you will not be able to search automatically for drivers, so click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. After that, you need to click or check on Show Compatible Hardware. Now here, you have to select any of the drivers that appear on the box below and click on Next to install the driver. The driver will get installed in a couple of seconds. So after it's finished, restart your PC and the Wi-Fi should show on the right side corner of the screen. But if that doesn't work, try the last solution. Solution 3. Reinstall Wi-Fi drivers. To do this, right-click on this PC icon and expand the Show More options. Then click on Manage. Select Device Manager and then expand the Network Adapter section. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Uninstall Device. Now all that's left to do is to confirm the installation and restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Reinstalling the driver ensures that you have a fresh and possibly uncorrupted version, which can fix many issues. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.